Hey, I'm Croxton West. I'm the plant engineer here at Stingray Boats. AIMSCO has been a phenomenal resource here at Stingray. It's allowed us to kind of integrate a couple systems and allowed office management to track and help better, different areas of the plant, whether it's, finding defects here or there, or trying to track down heat map issues, things coming from lamination. Any station that we have here at Stingray is kind of documented, and we're able to, find tips and tricks through the system that's allowed us to just make Stingray a better plant. Being used at Stingray for about maybe 2-3 months, a little before I got here, they've had a system set up prior to me arriving that already gave a good foundation, but we've taken it to the next level and getting some of the Power BI maps and graphs and data kind of integrated in to allow us to check in on how the boats are being either sprayed or built, and what station they might be at, to allow us to better track and manage, how we need to push a certain model faster or slower, however it may be. Prior to AIMSCO, we had a system set up that was built in-house that just kind of tracked, when boats would be due, but there was really no way for us to monitor defects or issues we might be having live on the floor. AIMSCO has kind of allowed us to, have real-time data at issues that are unfolding or defects in a certain department or station that allows the engineering group to go to right away, whether it's something's broken, we have a problem with a lamination issue, or even a patch, we're able to see right then and there where we need to go check in on and to kind of help fight our fires. Absolutely, AIMSCO staff, I can't speak highly enough about them. We have a weekly check-in meeting where Perry and Mike check in with us to see what issues we might be having, or to offer some advice on what we could potentially be doing with the system. But I would give them 5 out of 5 stars. They're incredible. The staff's incredible. We haven't even fully captured the potential that AIMSCO can do here at Stingray Boats. The ceiling's so high. We haven't even found all the cool tips and tricks that we can use and how we might be implementing it in the future. So I'm excited to see where it goes. With Dealer Circle and shows up on AIMSCO, so when we enter in a different model, it's showing what options each individual work order number has, and shoots up here. So we're able to build an overall view of what a model could have, and then through our work order, it specifically says what that work order has coming up. So when production is going through and trying to figure out what they're installing or what's coming up, they can look and see this example. This specific boat's getting a porcelain head and LED docking lights. So what specifically they need to build, right up at the top trip finger, it's right there. And yeah, this goes across any models. You can build it however you want. Communicates excellent with Dealer Circle. We've actually never had an issue that I can think of. So it's incredible integration with the system. One of the most incredible features that AIMSCO has to offer is their heat map index. What that is the ability to show where certain mold marks are forming, or different issues, whether it be air, scratches, or mold marks that are consistently popping up in production per model. So it's able to highlight certain areas of the build, whether it's at the aft side, port starboard, wherever it is. We're able to upload a picture, and it highlights where these consistent issues are occurring. This allows us to then go in and take the mold out of production, fix it, and give it right back to production. So it's been an incredible help, making it very efficient to identify problems that are occurring on the floor. Another incredible feature, so AIMSCO allows production to enter in different kinds of, they call them characteristics, or different kind of data points they want to collect. So here's the example. Back here in lamination, we have production set up to where we have the humidity and temperature of the day. So all they do is they enter in whatever the temperature is at the current time and the humidity is, and that allows us to track what ambience different molds or parts are sprayed in. Another incredible thing, one of the biggest things, is work instructions. AIMSCO allows the engineering office to build work instructions that can be pictures, steps, instructions, however it wants to be. And at the touch of a button, they can pop up and it shows whether it's different dimensions, what tools to use, or the steps to follow in order to build the perfect boat. And that's can be across any station, whether lamination, patch, assembly, whatever we want. Right here, touch a button. So our packets have a job number, an order number, a job number, and a serial number, and that's going to correlate to what we're seeing over here in ANSCO. They're tracking the number, and then what they do is they go down and they're finding what number it correlates to for order number, and they go in. It's pretty easy to tell. ANSCO set it up so we know once it's done with gel coat, highlights green. Once it's done with lamination, highlights green. So they're able to check the number, make sure it's already passed through the pass department, and they'll go through in, check it, and then click away to whatever station they're currently working at. As you can see, they've already started this boat, and they're just waiting to finish it up, check out what they've done, send to the next. ANSCO has been a phenomenal resource here at Stingray. I can't speak highly enough about them.